Good day to all of employers in Hong Kong. My name is Wingelos Atogan Blas. I'm 35 years old. I'm from Davao City, Philippines. I'm single parent with four kids, two boys and two girls. Ages 15, 13, 8, and 5. I'm a high school graduate and my hobbies are listening music and cooking. I have work experience in Philippines as a housemaid in 3 years and I serve 4 members of the family including two children, 8 years old and 2 years old. My duties are taking care of kids, preparing and cooking meals, washing dishes, doing laundry, cleaning the house, marketing, and many more. And also have lots experience newborn baby and toddler. I want to work Hong Kong because I want to earn money to help my family needs and also save my future kids. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, and hard-working woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Have a good day, ma'am and sir.